Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Roslyn, and to my old subscribers, thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for your love, your like. I see all. God bless you. Mwah. So if you're new here, please don't forget to like my video, share and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified. So let's go. So guys, I'll be sharing with you how I make this delicious, yummy zebra vanilla cake. Yeah, you can try it at home. Your kids will love it. Use it for your tea, for breakfast, or also bake for birthday parties. Yeah, let's dive right in. So guys, here I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I have sieved it, as you can see my bowl. I have 3 eggs. I have butter. This is melted butter, 40 grams. This is sugar. The previous ones this is a cocoa powder. And this is baking powder, a spoon of baking powder. And that's my vanilla extract. So here in my clean bowl, I will add in my melted 400 grams of butter. It's not fully melted anyway. Then I'll pour in my 2 cups of sugar, fine sugar. So then I will go ahead with my hand blender to mix it, my hand mixer, sorry, to mix it very well in a high speed. So I whisk it until it's a little bit doubled in size and the color of the butter has changed into white, yeah, no longer yellow. So now it is ready. Next, I add in my egg, the 3 eggs. I was adding it bit by bit. I added 1, whisk, stop and add, whisk again, then add the next one until I was done adding the 3 eggs. So here I'm done adding my eggs and it's well mixed. So next I poured in my melted butter with milk. I mean the melted butter and milk that I mixed together. I poured it in and add in my vanilla. Then I mix. So next I went in with my flour and the baking powder. And also I added a pinch of salt. Don't forget, always add a pinch of salt to your batter. So here I'm adding my flour. As I'm talking to you, I'm eating the cake. I added my baking powder and I will mix. And after that, I divided the batter into two parts. Then I mixed my cocoa powder with a little bit of warm water to dissolve it. Then I mix it with one part. Then the other part was not mixed. So here guys, I'm making sure there is no lumps, trying to mix the batter properly. So here I've divided it like I said. This part is chocolate and this part is plain batter. They are all the same mixture, just the difference is that I added chocolate in one part, and that is a plastic bottle that I cut using the bottom to make my zebra shape or the zebra design. So first I feed in a cup of butter, pour it in, pour the chocolate one in, then next I'll pour in the plain one, just like that, just the way it is in the video. And this cake was so yummy guys. Just follow the process, do it the way I do it, my recipe, just take it like that. No additional thing, no extra, no minus. So just do it, follow the procedure, and you come out with a good result, even better than mine. So guys, watch and enjoy. So here I was trying to be careful so I don't mix it out. I was just pouring it gently. If you have a bigger bottle, you can cut, depend on the size of your pan. Yeah. Yeah, this place guys, I'm done. So I'm taking out the plastic, then I use my spatula to dress the middle. Yeah, so guys, if you find this video helpful, what are you waiting for? Give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Here the cake is ready. In order for you to know if it's ready, you use your toothpick to poke into it. If it come out clean, you know it's ready. And with the tear, you know it's still ready. I baked this cake for 20 minutes. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.